Hi everyone, I'm Nikki. Today let's dive into the Auto Insert and Extract Test Machine, a versatile solution for precision connector testing. This machine can comprehensively evaluate the connector performance, measuring insertion and extraction forces, durability, dynamic impedance, and material stress. Its robot design incorporates the XY mobile phone platform and the other universal clamping fixture, such as auto O-shape device of the whole row, evaluate jig, and the special clamp for single pin retention forces to accommodate connectors of all configurations, from single pin to multi-port assemblies. Furthermore, the automated system enables efficient batch testing through simple parameter input. Featuring a user-friendly Windows interface with auto-unit conversion, it records real-time data and generates PDF reports. Ideal for R&D validation and quality QC, this machine delivers precise, repeatable results with unmatched operational efficiency. If you need more detailed information of the machine selection or tailored solution, please leave us a message. See you next time.